Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Cotton County in southwestern Oklahoma, northwestern Jefferson County in southern Oklahoma, Stevens County in southern Oklahoma until 7:15 p.m. At 6:24 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Hastings, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard: golf ball-size hail with 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. Impact: people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations affected include Duncan, Marlow, Warita, Comanche, Ray, Temple, Belma, Hastings, Loco, Addington, Sutton, Coram, Warrico Lake, Central High, and Empire City. A tornado watch remains in effect for the warned area. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building.